When movies found their voice, the game-changing year of 1927. Hey folks! Today we're rewinding to one of Hollywood's most pivotal moments, the birth of talking pictures. Picture this, it's fall of 1927. Silent films are ruling the box office, with actors expressing everything through dramatic gestures while live orchestras provide the soundtrack. Then everything changed when The Jazz Singer premiered on October 6. Now here's the kicker. While not technically the first talkie, this Al Jolson musical became the cultural phenomenon that proved sound was here to stay. That iconic line, "You ain't heard nothing yet," literally gave audiences chills. People laughed, cried, and cheered like never before. But Hollywood's transition wasn't all smooth sailing. Silent film legends like John Gilbert saw their careers crash because their voices didn't match their screen personas. Only Charlie Chaplin held out, keeping his beloved tramp character silent through City Lights 1931 and Modern Times 1936. He finally embraced sound with The Great Dictator in 1940, delivering that unforgettable anti-war speech. So while silent films faded, their artistry lives on, and The Jazz Singer, it kicked open the door to everything we love about movies today: the dialogue, the songs, the whole immersive experience. If you enjoyed this blast from Hollywood's past, hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories. And tell us in comments, could you have been a silent film star?